Welkom terug, maats. Vandag gaan ons 'n nuwe klank leer. U. Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to learn a new sound in Afrikaans. U. U. Now repeat each word after me. Uur. That means hour. Stuur. To send something. Duur. Expensive. Vuur. Yes, that's a fire. Muur. It's a wall. Bestuur. That means to drive. Huur. To hire. Suur. That is sour. Gluur. Glare. Uurglas. Hourglass. Well done. Now repeat each word after me. Herhaal elke woord na my. Duur. Muur. Uur. Vuur. Suur. Bestuur. Gluur. Uurglas. Well done, everybody. Let us see how much you have learned today. Kom ons kyk of julle hierdie volgende speletjie kan regraai. Is jy gereed? Kom ons begin. Look at the picture and find the right word for each sentence. Kyk na die prentjie en kry die regte woord vir elke sin. Are you ready? Here we go. Meer. Vuur. Stuur. Bestuur. Baie mooi, maats. Well done, everybody. Here are a few new words. Nuut. And that means new. Nuus. And that is news. Skuur. That is a barn. Ai, maar julle is baie slim. Well done, everybody. Let's see how you do the next activity. Are you ready? Lees die woorde. Read the words. Well done. Now let's see if you can read a bit faster. Kom ons kyk of jy vinniger kan lees. Well done, everybody. You did a fantastic job. Next time, we're going to learn some more Afrikaans. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take care and be good.